A new video of LeetCode series. Today we are going to solve the problem statement number 9. Palindrome number. Mainly this is the easy problem. You can see that let's read the problem statement. Given an integer x, return true if x is palindrome and false otherwise. It means the palindrome means you can see that the example number 1, 1 to 1. It is palindrome because when we the read from left to right, you can see that the 1 to 1, and we if we read from right to left side, then you can see that also it is 1 to 1. That's the reason output is true. And you can see that the in example number 2, minus 1 to 1, it is false because here is minus numbers are not considered as a palindrome. You can see that the in example number 3, 10, we can if we will the read from right to left, it will read like 0, and this is not same as the original value. That's the reason is this is not palindrome number. We can solve this using two methods, like converting this all numbers into string and reverse it, and uh, check that original value is equal to with the reverse value or not. If the true, then we have to return true, otherwise false. And another method is to mathematics method. Let's we will solve with the mathematical method. Let's firstly we will check the if x less than 0, and or x divisible by 10. This means the x is divisible by 10, and x not is equal to 0. Then we will return false. Let's say explain you this. In case the palindrome is this number x is equal to less than 0, you can see that example number 2, minus numbers are not considered as a palindrome. And the or condition, you can see that the if the number is divisible by 10 and that number is not is equal to 0, then we return false. You can see the example number 10. This is the 10. This is divisible by 10. That's the reason we are considering this. And let's see the another. We will store in long reverse, because the for the long integers, the we can't use integer value, and integer temp, we store the value of x into temp, and integer digit to store last number of temp value. Let's use the while loop, while until temp greater than 0, then it will this loop run digit is equal to temp modulus 10, and reverse is equal to reverse sorry right reverse into 10 plus digit. I will explain you uh, then temp 1 second, divisible by and is equal to 10. That's it. And just return reverse is equal to x. That's it. Let's check it. You see that the three cases are passed. Let's I explain in this code. We are just storing the reverse value into long reverse, because maybe in case integer is long, so we are using the reverse long, and the integer temp is storing the value of integer x value, and the integer digit is equal to 0. It is storing the last number of digit. You can see that in while loop we are running this loop until it becomes 0, And you can see that the digit is equal to temp modulus 10. It's returns the last digit of the number, and we are adding digit into reverse value. You can see that we are just multiplying by 10 and adding addition of digit, and we are just for the next iteration we are just dividing by 10 into temp. Let's submit it. You can see that our total all one 11,511 test cases are passed. And thank you for watching. And for the time complexity is of n, and the space complexity is of 1, because we are not storing the many variables. And thank you for watching, and I will come with new concept and new problem statement of LeetCode tomorrow. Thank you.